this video, we are asked to round up 0.002487 to two significant figures. When we talk about significant figure, this zero that you are seeing in front of these two are not significant. To one start from here, two start from here, three start from here, four start from here. So to round up 0.002487 to two singular figures. First of all, we are going to put our arrow here. Since they say two singular, this one, this two, we now ask ourselves, is this for round up number or rounded number? This 8 is a what? A rounded up number. So we can add what? 1. And when we add 1, then our answer now was 0.0025 and to what? Two significant what? Figure. So we ask ourselves, if this is a rounded up number, yes. If it's all rounded up number, we add 1 to the front number. If it is rounded down, we leave our answer like this. If they say to one significant figure, our answer will be 0.002. If they say to singular figure, our answer will be 0.0025. If they say to 3, our answer will be 0.0249. This 7, we add 1 to this. So this is our answer.